The power of it. The power of. The power of it. The power of it. Grandma and grandpa is the power of it. It's for you and me. It's for you and me. Grandma and grandpa is for you and me. The power of it. The power of it. Grandma and grandpa is for you to think. It's for you to think. It's for you to think. Grandma and grandpa is for you to think. The power of it. The power of it. Grandma and grandpa is for you to count. It's for you to count. It's for you to count. Grandma and grandpa is for you to count. The power of it. The power of it. Hey, grandma and grandpa, let's do the count. Ah, let's do the count. Let's do the count. Grandma and grandpa, let's do the count. Ha ha ha. Now, okay, grandma and grandpa, we're gonna do the count. Let's do the count now, grandma. Let's do the count, grandpa. I'm gonna do the count 3 times. I'm gonna first start to do the count really slow. So pay attention now, grandma. Pay attention, grandpa. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grandma, you're smiling already. Grandpa, how about you? You get it? Okay, let me go one more time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, grandma, we're gonna start with you. Good. 0, 1. Ah, that's beautiful, grandma. Now you do it with a smile now, grandpa. See, grandma was smiling, so now you gotta do it with a smile too, grandpa. Okay, good. 7. Yeah, good. Hey, grandpa. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wonderful, grandpa. See, you guys did it real well. There was no mistake. Okay, now we'll go to the next level. We're gonna go a little faster now, grandma and grandpa. Okay, now listen. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grandma, that's your turn now. You take it over. Okay, grandma, go. Oh, grandma, you left out 4. How come you missed 4, grandma? Now, okay, we're gonna give chance to grandpa. Grandpa is gonna go. You gotta come back and do it again, grandma. Okay, grandpa, it's your turn. Okay, go ahead. 7, 6. Okay, here, grandpa. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, grandpa, you forgot 0. You didn't say 0. Both of you missed now. We're gonna do it all over again. Okay, grandma, go one more time. All right, 7, 6. Okay, go ahead, grandma. Now do it with a smile like you did the last time. Okay. 0. Good. Very good, grandma. Excellent. Now, grandpa, see, grandma did it real well. She made no mistakes. Now go ahead. Oh, wonderful. That's great, grandpa. Okay, now we're gonna go to the next level. We're gonna go count a little bit faster. Now listen carefully. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now take it over, grandma. Oh, grandma, no, don't say you're tired. Oh, no, we're having a good time here, grandma. Okay, grandpa, how about you? Oh, grandpa, you say you're tired too? All right, we take a break then, and then we'll come right back. In 10 minutes now, you guys don't go anywhere. Let's give grandma and grandpa a big hand. Okay, thank you. We'll continue the show.